everyone, my name's Carolyn. I'm the Children's Librarian at Battersea and York Gardens Libraries in Wandsworth, London, United Kingdom, and I am bringing you a craft activity today. Before we begin, I just want to let you know that we have daily online events for children and grown-ups, all online on Facebook and YouTube. I'll leave a link to the full schedule event below, but you can expect crafts and story times and poetry and special guests, all sorts of fun stuff. And we of course are still doing our online rhyme times every weekday at 10 a.m. with a different children's librarian every day. So make sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter so you don't miss a thing. Today's craft is to celebrate Hanukkah. And this is a celebration of the Jewish faith. And it is one of its more well-known ones, but actually in terms of religious significance, it's not quite as significant as some of the others like Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur. But I think because it tends to fall around Christmas, it's a reason for Jewish families to get together and celebrate and commemorate the miracle of the oil. And this happened during the rededication of the Second Temple of Jerusalem during the Maccabean Revolt. And they had only enough sacred oil to light a lamp for one night. But by a miracle, it lasted 8 nights. And that's why Hanukkah lasts 8 days and 8 nights. And that's why there are 8 candles on the menorah that are lit once per night of Hanukkah using a special candle in the middle. So there's actually 9 candles total on the menorah. Another tradition of Hanukkah is to eat fried foods in honor of the miracle of oil, and also to play a game called Dreidel. And we will learn a bit about Dreidel today, and we are going to make a very simple Dreidel craft that you can use to play yourself. So to make your Dreidel, you'll need the Dreidel template. I'll leave a link to this. It's provided by Scholastic Books. A pair of scissors, a glue stick, or you can use tape, and a pencil, or you could use a straw or a wooden dowel, any sort of stick shape to put in your Dreidel. So let's get started. First, once you print off your template, you just cut along the solid lines. There we go. I've cut out my template, and now the next step is to fold along the dotted lines. And you want to fold kind of inwards because you want to make sure that these symbols here, that I'll explain in a minute, are on the outside of the Dreidel. You want to be able to see them after you glue it all together. So just fold along all the dotted lines. So all the dotted lines are creased now, and now it's time to fold it into kind of a house shape. The triangle kind of pyramid on top and a cube on the bottom like that. I find it easiest to glue all the triangle pieces together first. So I am going to add just some glue to where it says glue tab. There you go. So you can see we have a pyramid at the top, and now it's really easy to glue the square part shut. You just glue this tab and then fold in and glue the top like a lid. Now before you glue down the top, you probably just want to cut out along where this X in the top is, because that's where you're going to stick in your straw or your pencil, whatever you're using. Now with all cutting, but especially with this, make sure to get an adult. Instead of poking down, which can be a bit dangerous for your fingers, it's easy to sort of gently fold along the line and then cut there, and then do the same thing the opposite way. And then you have an X cut out there. And then you can glue down the top as well. There we go. I have my Dreidel. Now the last step is just to stick your pencil or dowel or straw, whatever you're using, in the top there, and give it a whirl. Now because this is made of paper, it's quite light, so it won't spin quite as well as a real Dreidel made of wood or clay or plastic, but it's a good way to start practice playing the game. It's also a really easy template if you can't print it, or if you want to try making this out of another material. You could even use some cardboard. It's just 5 squares, so with equal sides in an L shape, and then 4 equilateral triangles, so with 3 equal sides as well. So you could probably pretty easily, you'd want to use a ruler and do some measuring, but you could make this template on just about any material that you can fold up into this shape. So now you can learn how to play Dreidel, and you will of course need your homemade Dreidel, and you will need some game pieces. Like I said, you can really use anything for game pieces. I'm using 2p coins. You could use chocolates or marbles or £1 coins if you wanted to up the ante. And you just need to make sure that each player has the same number of pieces, usually about 10 to 15. And you can play Dreidel with about as many people as you want, really, down to 2 players. So at the beginning of the game, each player puts 1 game piece into the pot. You also all each need to put a piece in if the pot is empty or only has 1 game piece in it. And the goal of the game is to capture all of the game pieces. At the beginning of a turn, you spin your Dreidel, and then whichever symbol it lands on is the instruction that you need to follow. So this one landed on this Hebrew symbol, which roughly translates to none or nicht in Yiddish, which means nothing. So you do nothing on your turn. This next symbol is Gimel or Gantz, which means everything. So that means you take the whole pot that's in the middle. Lucky you. If it lands on this symbol, Hey or Halb, which means half, you take half of what's in the pot. And if you land on this symbol, or Shin or Stel, which means put in, you need to put one of your pieces in the pot. So that's the basic premise of the game. You just do what the Dreidel tells you to do on your spin, and whoever gets all the pieces first wins. If you run out of pieces, you're either out, or you could ask for a loan from another player, and then once you earn those pieces back from the pot, you pay them back. So it's believed that these symbols also represent the saying Nes Gadol Haya Po, which means a great miracle happened here, which is of course referencing the miracle of the 1 day of oil stretching to 8 days. And so it's of course Nun for Nes, Gimel for Gadol, Hey for Haya, and then in Israel, instead of Shin, they often have Peh, which would be the Po. So that is a bit about how to play Dreidel and how to make a Dreidel, and a little bit about why Jewish people celebrate Hanukkah. If you'd like to learn more about Hanukkah or add another story time to your Hanukkah celebrations, join Heather on Friday. She'll be telling some Hanukkah stories and teaching a little more about the traditions of Hanukkah. So if you are celebrating, I hope you have a very happy Hanukkah. Show me your dreidels if you make them, or maybe you already have your own dreidels at home and you can show those to me too. I'd love to see them. We'll see you next time. Have a wonderful Hanukkah and a wonderful week. Bye-bye.